Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Now that your class 12 exams are over, what will be your next course of action? You may be finding yourself at the crossroads with no idea on which way to turn. It's about making, or more appropriately, choosing your future career and life. Choosing the right course and college is the first step in chalking the career plan. There are many degrees like BA, BSc, BBA, BCom, BDes, MA, MSc, MCom, etc. in various subjects. Only you have to choose which degree you want to pursue and in which particular subject. It's crucial since after the choice is made, there will be no turning back. So in this video, I will talk about some of the best colleges providing undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma programs across India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. Also, you will be glad to know that we have published our study app. In the app, you will get college information and career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions, subject-wise notes and question answers for classes 8 to 12, and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will get the app download link in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be on Neswadia College of Commerce in Pune. Neswadia College of Commerce Pune was established in 1969. College was developed by Indian businessman Sir Neswadia. He was the philanthropist of his times. The campus is running by the Modern Education Society. It is accredited A grade by NAAC. Neswadia College of Commerce Pune is affiliated to Savitribai Phule University for undergraduate and postgraduate courses in commerce. It is also affiliated with the Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education. Neswadia College of Commerce Pune admissions providing UG courses like BCom, BBA and post-graduation course MCom. They also facilitate diploma course DTL and post-graduation diploma courses like DBF and DIB. They also have a special research center for PhD students. The institute provides a well-established learning environment for its students. The teachers the institute are known for experimenting with a variety of teaching innovations which supplement the usual lecture method. The college conducts an induction program for the students enrolling for the FY course. It consists of a workshop on success skill for the corporate and a business etiquette program. NWCC has collaboration with Deccan Chamber of Commerce Industries and Agriculture or the DCCIA for short-term courses are conducted in the evenings. NWCC has conducting many placement-related training programs such as soft skill training, aptitude test and group discussions. Neswadia College of Commerce or NWCC and CISI UK have collaboration for offer a wide range of qualifications in investment operations. Neswadia College of Commerce or NWCC and ACCA UK have collaboration for creating a specific programs for students to achieve the ACCA qualification. NWCC has conducting some international seminar session, late Principal Dr. B.S. Bhange Memorial International Seminar and Contemporary Issues in Commerce and Management. So next we will know about this college's facilities. The college provides hostel accommodation in the premises for boys and girls. Hostels are equipped with all modern amenities, conveniences and comforts. The rooms are well ventilated and are suitably furnished. A new gents hostel is being constructed. The college imparts computer labs facilities for the students. All computer labs of the college are fully lit out with latest amenities. The computer lab of the college is packed with latest systems, softwares, hardwares, scanner, printer and other necessary amenities. All machines are branded with licensed operating systems. Wireless network in laboratory. Currently used softwares for lab work are Turbo C for C and C++, MS Office, Oracle and Visual Basic. Wi-Fi facility is provided to faculties and students in the campus which is secured with Cube Roam firewall with 10 access points and 2 Ruckus Zone Director. The library of the college is a knowledge center assists the students in their assignments and other work pertaining to academics. The library of the college has a rich collection of textbooks, reference books, periodicals, journals, and newspapers. Currently, the number of books in the library is about 53,000 books. The library of the college imparts facilities like the home reading section, the book bank and the study or reading hall, internet browsing center, open access periodical and reference section, teachers reading room and research library. The college has open-air conditioned classrooms which are well equipped with modern facilities such as audio systems and overhead projectors. The seating are designed to provide students with complete comfort for the intense hours of classrooms teaching and interaction. In the sports complex, available facilities are badminton court, basketball court, cricket ground, football ground, tennis court, handball court, hockey field, kho-kho ground, kabaddi ground, boxing ring, volleyball court, netball court, table tennis room, athletics track and softball court. NWCC has achieved many honors for being one of the best colleges in the country. India Today has been ranked the campus as one of the top 5 colleges in the city. Neswadia College of Commerce was awarded the Best College Award. Vice Chancellor awarded the college with the Best Principal Award on the University Foundation Day. At next, we will go through this college's courses. NWCC offers a different variety of courses in various specializations. This college offers both BCom and MCom. BBA in International Business, Retail Operations and Computer Application. BVoc in Banking, Finance, Insurance and Actuarial Studies. Diploma in Taxation Laws, Banking and Finance and International Business. PhD or MPhil in Commerce. This college also offers certification programs in Investment Management, Tally ERP9, Digital Marketing, Advanced IT, English and German, English and Spanish, English and French, English and Chinese, English and Japanese, Creative Design, Computer Programming, Web Design and Business Management. So let's check out the eligibility criteria of the courses. For BBA in International Business, Computer Applications, Retail Operations and General BBA, eligibility criteria is intermediate graduate with 40% marks, 35% for reserved category or 2-year diploma in pharmacy course after HSC or 3-year diploma course after 10th standard. For BCom, it is intermediate graduate. For BVoc in Banking, Finance and Insurance, eligibility criteria is intermediate graduate in any discipline or MCVC diploma. For MCom, the eligibility criteria is graduate in relevant discipline. For PG diploma in Banking and Finance and Taxation Laws, eligibility criteria is graduate in any discipline, and for International Business, it is graduate in any discipline with 50% marks. For the certificate program in Digital Marketing and Business English, eligibility criteria is HSC pass. The students fulfilling the eligibility criteria can apply through both online and offline mode. The admission form is easily available on the official website of the college. The college prepares a merit list on the basis of merit in the previous qualifying examination. Students will be further called for counseling round for admission to UG and PG courses. Neswadia College also offers some scholarships to its students. So let's talk about some of the scholarship programs. First is the National Merit Scholarship. This is awarded on the basis of marks secured in 10th, 12th and graduation in BCom. To be eligible for this scholarship, the income of the parents or guardian must be below INR 25,000 during the previous financial year. Next is the Sri Panjivan Narottam Memorial Scholarship. This is given to poor and deserving students studying in the first and second year of degree class. Free ships to wards of ex-servicemen. Students whose parents have worked in defense up to major in the army or equal ranks in other forces are eligible for this scholarship. Next is the Government of India scholarship to the physically handicapped students. The student must be a resident of Maharashtra to be eligible for this scholarship. They will also be required to present a certificate stating their physical handicap ability. At last, we have the Government of India scholarship to backward class students. Those belonging to classes like scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, NTDT, VJ and SBC are eligible for this. The placement cell of the college provides employment needs to graduating students. They are offered a platform to explore the corporate world and establish a successful career for themselves. The cell organizes seminars, industrial visits, job fairs, workshops, guest lectures, etc. Total number of companies visited are 70 plus. Highest package offered is INR 7 LPA. Number of interns recruited are 161 and number of students placed is 121. Some of the prominent recruiters of the college include Infosys, Capgemini, Deloitte, TCS, Wipro, Vodafone, Accenture, ADP, Aniva, Accentric, BizExcellence, Catalyst, Deutsche Bank, Ernst & Young, HSBC, ICICI Prudential, etc. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college.